Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect Samsung T7 Shield SSD to this phone and how to transfer the photos, videos and any files. Okay, so this is my Samsung T7 Shield SSD. Okay, you can see. So let me show you how to connect this one. So using this Type-C cable we can easily connect. You can see the both sides, you can see. Okay. So first of all, we need to connect this cable to this device like this. Now we need to connect this side to our phone simply. Okay. Now go to the file my files. So here you can see the connected USB storage. You can see here. Tap on this one. Till now there is no file, so this way we can easily connect Samsung T7 Shield SSD to our phone. Okay, so let me show you how to transfer the photos or videos to these two. Okay, so to copy files from this phone to SSD, first of all we need to select the photos. So simply here I am going to select these photos. Okay, now tap on the option more, tap on copy to clipboard. Okay, now open my files and open your SSD. After open the SSD, tap on the three dots on the top right side, tap on paste from clipboard. You can see that photos you can see here, right? You can easily open this one. So simply in this way we can connect the Samsung T7 Shield SSD to this phone and we can easily transfer the files. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.